Okay, a real quick video here. It's just going to announce there's going to be a little different, or actually quite a big change for my Sturgis 22 motorcycle rally trip this year. And that is, normally in years past, I've done all the filming while I'm out there. And then after I get home, I edit the videos and post them. But this year, I'm going to try to do something different. And that's by I'm going to put some videos up. Hopefully, put some videos up while I'm out there, while I'm still at the event. So that's going to be different. I have a editing app on my phone that's kind of similar to what I am using on my computer at home. So I'm going to give that a try, and hopefully I can get some videos up while I'm there. And as far as getting back, of course, I will have the GoPros with, and I'm going to be filming my rides out there. But, of course, the riding footage will not be in those videos while I'm out there because I won't have a computer to do all the editing and stuff. And also, those riding videos take a long time to do. Very time consuming. I don't want to waste my time while I'm there, editing that long. And, of course, the complete ride videos will be going on my other channel, Riding and Driving. I'll have a link to that at the end of this video, too. So that's where the complete ride videos. And as far as getting back, doing the vlogging videos, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I might have still post some videos edited, on Let's Go Traveling on this channel too, and incorporate some of the riding footage in there. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to be doing it, just that while I'm in Sturgis, I hope to get some videos up while I'm there, so we're going kind of like real time. So that's going to be the big change for a Sturgis 22 motorcycle rally trip this year. So I'm going to be leaving a little over a week here from now. So yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally Trip videos coming up. And all right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned.